In this video, we are showing our best-selling Aluspace door. It replicates the features of the renowned steel cradle doors, but it's made of aluminium. It's got the slimmest profile on the market. This is just a single door. There are lots of options such as French doors and fixed screens to cover a wide space. You can also have a corner section to make a room within a room. We also offer sliding doors and pivot doors that swing both ways and can be up to 2 meters wide. The latch on the hinged door is pretty cool. When you close the door, the concealed magnetic latch pops out to secure the door in place. To open it, push the handle down like normal, and the latch is magnetically concealed. We have quite a few handle color options. The most popular is antique brass. The doors come with 6mm toughened glass that can be clear or obscure in different patterns. There are brushes on the bottom of the door to minimize drafts. The doors are available in black, white or anthracite gray as standard, or can be sprayed in any RAL color.